Resch and 3 mobile lock bandsaws are designed for easy transport, including the edging unit and lock-and-feed conveyor. The mobile bandsaw is approved for road transport at up to 40 km per hour. As an option, approval for speeds up to 80 km an hour is also possible. The entire system is CE and GS certified. Thanks to a sophisticated system, the machine can be ready for use only a few minutes after arriving at its destination. All preparations can be carried out by a single person acting alone. The lock bandsaw can be erected and aligned quickly using 6 hydraulic support legs on the guideway. The wheels of an undercarriage, which are used to transport the system, can easily be dismounted in only a few minutes. The extension rails of the guideway are unfolded hydraulically. This considerably reduces the time required to erect and dismantle the machine. The saw unit can be rotated into place easily, using the built-in hydraulic turning fixture. The system is now ready for use.